Hey y'all, Kathryn here. In this video, we're going to play through Girl From Ipanema in the key of C. If you've been on this journey with me, it's been awesome. In part 1, we learned all the chords that we needed to play this song. Lots of new chords there. In part 2, we learned how to play bossa nova rhythm on your ukulele, including a really lovely plucking pattern. And then in part 3, we went through the whole song, the song form, the chord progressions. We put it with the lyrics. And now in this video, we're going to try it out, put everything together. By the way, if you want the chart to follow along at home, that is linked below. That's available to my patrons. This was a Patreon request. And like I said in a previous video, this is not a beginner song. Y'all know I'm all about the beginner and intermediate content, but I got so many requests for this song and I love Brazilian music, so I was happy to do it. So just keep that in mind that it's not a beginner song, so be gentle with yourself. But that being said, you can do it. In this playthrough, I'm just going to play ukulele. I'm not going to sing. And in the following playthrough video, there will be vocals. So if you want to practice that way as well and put it all together and sing, you'll have that resource available to you as well. By the way, if you've enjoyed learning Girl From Ipanema with me and you're enjoying my teaching style, I hope that you'll consider joining us over on Patreon. I'm doing monthly workshops that tackle common ukulele player challenges like rhythm. We spend a lot of time building a super strong rhythmic foundation, helps make strumming patterns so much easier, makes it all make more sense. We did a workshop on singing while strumming, how to make that easier. I know that's a common problem. And we did common chord progressions. We're doing finger picking. So lots of good stuff going on over there. You get access to my whole PDF library of songs and lots more goodies, practice exercises. So I've linked that below. Check that out if you're interested in more. All right, let's do it. I'm going to play the song one time through. I'm feeling this in a big 1, 2, 1, 2, rather than 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that big 2 helps us feel the bossa nova rhythm better. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed learning Girl From Ipanema with me. Let me know how your playthrough went. Let me know in the comments below. If you want to try this out with the vocals, there's one more video for you with ukulele as well as the vocals, another play along video, so you can check that out. And I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for being here. All right, cheers y'all. Ukulele wine time.